Belonging at DKSH means have opportunity to get more coffee skill.
En tant qu'horloger et grâce à DKSH, je peux exercer mon métier avec passion.
像我是位厨师，我就可以跟餐饮设备事业单位一起成长。
It's the sense of unity and shared purpose where individuals from diverse backgrounds come together to enrich people's lives globally.
As a data intelligence professional in DKSH, I have the opportunity to work with talented individuals from 35 markets and 90 over nationalities.
It's the opportunity for personal and professional growth with a wide range of roles available across different industries and sectors.
As a senior product specialist, I work with oncologists in Singapore who serve patients from all over the world.
It's the pride in our long-standing history of innovation and excellence, spanning across 160 years in over 35 markets.
The drive for excellence inspired me to innovate within my role of sales merchandiser. I am proud to contribute to our sales goal last year.
Belonging at DKSH means being a part of a dynamic and inclusive community, committed to making a positive impact worldwide.
I feel happy to be part of this great family that is DKSH, and more especially the relationship between the different innovation centers.
Faire partie d'une entreprise aussi innovante et être entouré de personnes aussi expertes dans leur domaine est une opportunité. Et grâce à ça, j'apprends tous les jours.
You can be who you want to be, and there is a place for everyone here.
We all belong at DKSH.